What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. We're playing with vintage stuff, newer stuff, all kinds of different things this week. Starting out, we've got some Tri-Z forks that we've got to rebuild for the 86 KX125 conversion. These being vintage Tri-Z forks, they're not going to cooperate and they're going to be problematic from start to finish. Typically, we just pop these things off, little flathead screwdrivers, the seals usually pop right out, clips usually pop right out. Don't really ever have any problem. This time, no, it wanted to make us fight with it. Just gonna be one of those days. Let's fight with things. Did we drain the forks? No, of course not. So drain the forks now. We're trying to pop them apart. Now the idea is pull on the top tube and separate it from the lower tube. It's supposed to pull the seals off. The seals did not. The seals stayed. We'll give it a finger and go on pulling the other one. That one came apart the same way. Seals and everything stayed in. So what do? You grab a wrench and very gently pop the seal out. I have broken lower fork tubes this way before. You gotta be gentle. You gotta be careful. Just pop it a couple of times, move it, pop it a couple of times. The seal should pop out. Using a flathead screwdriver in this instance will not work that good. We're turning around. We're going to powder coat the lowers, so we're sandblasting everything, getting the paint off of them so that we can powder coat. We've got a nice clean surface. We do all kinds of builds on this channel. We've got rides, races, and everything else. Hit that subscribe button. Comments are always appreciated. We've got memberships available for cheap. You want extra perks, early access to videos when videos are released early. All kinds of different stuff comes with memberships. Plus, easy access to me. If you've got mechanical problems or whatnot, get a hold of me. We'll see if we can get them all figured out. This is not just a channel showing what we can do. We help people out all the time. This is a build shop. This is not a fix-it shop. We had some dude come in the other day with 400EX, wanted me to try and diagnose the problems and fix it really quick. He did not like the fact that when you come in end of the line, you stay end of the line, and you will get work on, your bike will get worked on when we get time to work on it. A lot of other stuff comes before new projects. We do powder coating in-house. It may not be the prettiest and best setup, but it works, comes out really nice. And, hey, if you can say you do it all in-house, that's impressive. Not sure how many other people turn around and they can say they do frame-up builds in-house without shipping anything out. What we do around here, absolutely love what we do. We've got races going on. Tony's been going into the monster truck races. We can't have GoPros and stuff there, so there's no real footage of that anymore. Is hoping to get to Dade City and get to 25 YFZ on the podium for the 25 season. Lower legs came out all beautiful, nice gloss black. Turn around, get everything all cleaned up, put the new seals and the bushings and everything in order, put the lower legs back on it, put it all back together. All nice new parts. We grease up the seals really quick. That way stuff slides like it's supposed to, stays sealed. All nice and pretty. Ready for reassembly. Turn around. There is fork build videos on the channel. If you want specifics on how to build a fork, look through the channel. They are here. We've got inverts and conventionals. These are done. And Dave showed up with a blaster he picked up. Check this out. Ran when parked. Yeah, sure. Full of water. So full of water. What the fuck? Ran when parked. Absolutely love it. Ran after a little while of being here. That's what happened. Doesn't sound too bad. A little bit of a carb adjustment, and Dave's good to go. He bring that thing home, put it up on Marketplace, make it go away. We've got two other blaster engines that we're trying to get together. We've got a 240 big bore that's coming together, a Vito's 240. There's going to be all kinds of videos on that. We've got an unboxing, and we're going to have a build on that. We've also got another blaster engine going together. Had broken cases. We got cases welded up. We're machining them out. doing what we do around here. And last but not least for this video, we've got a big red rear end. William brought me a few rear ends, so we're going to be rebuilding some big red rear ends for these lifted big reds. These things have so much strain and punishment going on them with the lifted tires, the extended axles. There's so much force on these things that they break. Bearings go out, stuff leaks, they fill with water and mud. You do what you got to do to play. You got to pay to play. So we're rebuilding differentials, we're rebuilding motors, we got all kinds of stuff going on in the channel. Might not look pretty when you start, but we have the tools to make it look pretty when you're done. Chuck it in a lathe, get it all cleaned up. Easy enough. 1, 2, 3. Benefit of having a lathe and a mill and all that kind of stuff in-house. We pretty much do whatever. We're building our own triple clamps. We do have a couple of projects that are old projects that are going to be getting more attention this year. If you guys remember the Warrior trike, yep, that's coming out of the closet, and she's going to be getting some more attention. We got to do the valves and stuff on that top end, put the motor back together, finish up the frame. I'm not going to do the double top bars. We're going to cut all that out and put a single top bar spine in it with a hoop tank instead of a flat tank. Moving things around a little bit, custom builds, one-offs, all that fun stuff. That's what we do. Do you guys like riding? Do you like mechanics? Are you machinists? Let me know down in the comments below. What kind of stuff in these videos do you like? What kind of stuff do you not like? What keeps you entertained? What keeps you intrigued in the video? What keeps you watching it? You like the video? Hit that like button. You don't like the video? Hit the dislike button and tell me what you didn't like about it. I know we're coming up on the end. Really appreciate anybody that's made it all the way this through. Not a lot of people watch these videos all the way through. You watch them through, it helps push it out to more and more people. That way more people can see what's going on around here. Y'all have a great day. I appreciate the views, appreciate the comments. I'll catch y'all in the next one. I'll finish up with a, yep, this is pretty much it. There will be a final video on this differential when we get it all back together. This is just kind of an update on what's been going on. We'll talk to you guys later.